so I dyed this purse maybe over a year ago, so I just wanted to do an update on it. And it's still looking great. And the dye on it is still there. This one, yeah, I didn't dye this part, but it's still looking good. I didn't dye the handles either. I should have maybe, but the dye still is, I mean, it still looks great. If you want to watch that other part, that when I dyed it, I'll link the video below. But yeah, it's still standing up. I mean, it's still holding up, you know. So somebody just wanted me to do an update on it if I still have the purse, and I do still have it. Alrighty guys, hope you guys enjoyed it and hope it was useful. You guys take care and God bless.